My name is Aaron Antis, and I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for Shaw Homes. Shaw Homes has been around since 1985. After Glenn Shaw graduated from ORU, he started Shaw Homes and been building here ever since. This has become home for him ever since going to school here. Some of the most common questions that people have is, what is the process of building a home? It seems complicated and like there's a lot of things that I need to know. So step one is we take you on a model home tour where you see all of our furnished and decorated models. Step two is to come back and go to your favorite home from the model home tour and do a price out and get all the detailed pricing down to the penny on what it would cost to build that home the way you want it built. And then the third step would be to pick your home site, which we've got over 500 to choose from in 27 different neighborhoods. So we help you select a home site that works best for you in the community you want. And then the next step would be to do your purchase agreement, and that's where you essentially are saying, I'm ready to move forward and start building my home. So one of the questions people ask is, how long does it take to build? And it depends a little bit on the size of the home. Sometimes you have a home that's 1,300 square feet, and sometimes it's a home that's 3,700 square feet. So obviously there's a big difference between those two, but generally you're somewhere in between 5 and 7 months from the time that you sign your paperwork until the time that you get your keys and move in the home. Sometimes people want to know if they need to have insurance on the home while it's being built, and actually Shaw Homes carries the insurance all the way through the entire build. You only need to get insurance starting on the day that you move into the home. So one of the top questions that we get is, what comes included in the home? Essentially the land that you're building on and the home itself with the garages and everything, and then a long list of included features, which we actually give you the first time we meet you. It's also available here on the website if you want to go through it in detail. So a lot of times people want to know if they need to come up with their own floor plan. And actually at Shaw Homes, the great thing about what we offer is that, like I said, we have more furnished and decorated model homes than any other builder in the Tulsa area. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that you can walk through and actually see and get the feel of. We actually have a total of 62 different floor plans ranging from just over 1,300 square feet all the way up to almost 3,800 square feet. One of the greatest benefits with Shaw Homes is that you don't have to get your own financing during the build of the home. We take care of all of that for you. It takes the complication of trying to figure out how to do a construction loan and construction loan draws, and all that complication just goes away. If you're wanting to know where we build, we actually have 27 different communities all over the greater Tulsa area. We often have people come to us and they've already bought a couple of acres of land out in the country somewhere. We do that too. So about 30% of the homes we actually build are on somebody else's land that they've already purchased. So if you're wanting to know pricing for Shaw Homes, we start at just over $160,000. And we go up from there into the 400s, and so everything really in between.